today I want to work in my art journal and create a page. Now I'm thinking about making a collage, but I realized that my stash of images are very sadly depleted. I have, of course, some, but nothing really grabs me. So I'm thinking, what else can I use to create a bit of texture, things that have a nice shape? So I thought about my die cuts. I don't make die cuts myself, but these are all gifted to me, sent in the mail by many of you. So thank you so much. So now I'm not a card maker, so I use these very sparingly, but I'm thinking maybe that would give me the texture and shapes I'm looking for, even if I work on something similar to this assemblage, of course, two-dimensionally with paper. So to start with, I will cover my page with white gesso. Here are some of the bits and pieces I pulled out. Aside from die cuts, there are some doilies, some coffee dyed paper, some script paper, but that's pretty much it. So I will start by preparing the background, first with some water, then some watercolor, and the process is super easy to follow. So like always, any mediums I will be using, which will be very few, are in the captions, and anything else you might need to know. Now this collage kind of turned out quite a bit different than I had imagined. But the process was a lot of fun, and I hope you will enjoy watching me put this together. I will talk to you in just a wee bit. So here is my completed page, and between the texture paste and the background, the different layers of paper, the die cuts, especially some of the embossed ones, I actually achieved some texture. Now the little bit glitter on the butterflies add to the nice feel of the page, and the little circle here adds a bit of sparkle. Now when I started, I did not have in mind to create something that looks like a vehicle, but to me it really looks like one. It kind of took on a life of its own, and that's okay. So here are the wheels, I guess, and there's a big one in the background. Now the other end of the pocket watch definitely makes it look like a steering wheel. So let it be a vehicle, a special one. So I picked the little phrase, trust your journey, because I thought it fits really well to the process of this page and also to the actual picture, and it's a good phrase for so many things we do. So here is my journal page for today. And now, as I said in the beginning, I used unusual materials I usually don't use to do collaging, but I think it works, and I have more stuff like this, so I might do something else in the same way. Now I have a second piece to show you, which is very, very different. And that's this one here. Let's put this aside so you can see it. Whoops. So I had this really cool magazine picture of this panda. And I like pandas, especially when they're in their natural form and not the cutie toy ones. So I started with some jelly prints in the background, two which I cut apart and a different one in the middle. I then added the panda, and I painted and outlined the little bamboo sprouts which he's holding and eating, and which I did to him. Then I painted some bigger bamboo, very simple, with my acrylic paint. I outlined those in black. I outlined the panda and the smaller leaves in white, and then I added the word find what you love and hold on to it. He definitely is holding on to his favorite food. So this is a very simple page. I added some black archival ink to the edges. I also added some glossy Mod Podge to all the bamboo plants here on the sides, as well as the ones he is holding. So it gives it a little shine and a little dimension. So here is another journal page. So that makes two for today. Oops. And I hope you enjoyed watching me put this together. Please come and see me soon again, latest by next Friday. You have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe, healthy and creative, and bye bye for now.